Hi everyone. Today I will discuss three things. One, how to find jackpot day one day before. That means by jackpot day, first of all, we trying to say is that a big movement is expected in the market. So how to find jackpot day one day before? As per the system, Monday is going to be a jackpot day. Now using this Excel sheet, you can find after today's market close whether next day is likely to be a big movement day or not. Now it is very important to know that once you have understanding that tomorrow is going to be a big movement day, then you can plan accordingly your trade. So our discussions point today is that I will show you how to find jackpot day one day before as per system. Monday is going to be jackpot day, and this Excel sheet is anticipating that Monday is likely to be a big movement day. And next, I will discuss what was the result of last jackpot day. According to this Excel, the last jackpot day was on 26th December. There was a jackpot day. Um, 24th December, the Excel sheet actually anticipated that 26th of December is going to be a big moment, and I will show you how to what's happened that day and how we actually find the trade on 24th day. That 26th is likely to be a jackpot kind of day. Number three, if you have a jackpot day today, how you should enter into the trade next day. If you have a jackpot day today, then how you should enter into the trade next day. We use a different Excel sheet to trade next day. Um, so I will show you that also. I will show you that also. Now let's see uh, using this Excel sheet. Let me open it. So we have to put the first 30-minute high and low, first 30-minute high and low of the um, 30-minute candlestick chart after market close to find whether tomorrow is likely to be a big movement or not. So what was the first 30-minute candlestick high and low yesterday? It was 32300, 32300.00, and the low was 3212.15, and the next candle high was 32293.55, and the low was 32150.00. The next candle high was 32360.00, and the low was 3262.80. And once you put this T high and low of the first, second, and third candlestick high low of 30 minutes chart, at the end of the day you also need to put the last candle high and low. What was the last candle high and low yesterday? The low was 32100.00, and you have to put the high also. So if you once you fill all those data, then if there is a jackpot day, the status here should automatically change. So let's see what's putting the last data. The last data was the high of the last candle, that is 32143.20. As you can see, once I fill this all this data, the software status has changed. Yes, use jackpot plan tomorrow. That means it is anticipating that tomorrow, that is the next Monday, there should be a big movement. Now when I say big movement, what type of movement, what kind of movement? Now for that we have to check the date of the last jackpot day, that was 26th of the December. Now this was the 26th, and now I will put the data of the 24 in the similar manner. Let's delete all those data. I am deleting all those data I just entered. Now I will fill this Excel with the data of the 24th of the December. So for similar, first candle high was 3254.00, 3254.00, and low was 32430.00. The high of the second candle was 32517.85, and the low was 32463.00. So let's check the data once again. The high was 32524, perfect. The low was 32430, right? The second high was 32517.85, and 32463, right? So now the third candle high was 32489.90, and the low was 32451.90. Now I have to put also the last candle high and low. It was the date of 26th. The low was 32450.00, and the high was 32474. Can see this, it's automatically change. So let's feed the high also 0.10. So it was the data of the 24th of December, and you can check. It says yes, use jackpot plan tomorrow. Now, so that means it is anticipating that next day, the 26th, is likely to be a big movement day. And as you can see, indeed 26th was a big movement, one-sided directions type of day. And by jackpot, we are trying to say that we are anticipating a day where market is likely to open in one point and ended to in other point. That means there should be enough directional movement. This type of day is easy to trade, and we can make good money out of that. So as you can, I can show you that on 26th of the day, this is the track sheet of the all those trade based on this Excel system. Till date we have accumulated 1100 points since December. So 26 we actually earned the 26, yes, the 26 was the jackpot say, as you can check, and we earned 204 point that day. And I can show you some of you who are actually downloaded this Excel sheet. They also mention this was my video of the 26th, and see on 26 this was my video of 26. And as you can see, a lot of you who are actually using this Excel noted down. I got 200 points bank nifty as per the Excel. Bharat says Excellent day for us with our jackpot plan. Is Bhaskar says. MS Sekhar says that today was such a great jackpot day after a few silent days with approx 220 points. Said today, Mohan said, said today is real jackpot day, nice. And Vijay says that investment 2,500 in one bank nifty and perfect profit of 4,000. That means around 200 point. So all of those who are actually having have this jackpot system and jackpot day trade, they actually earned 200 point, as you can see that they commented. And I must thank you all of you who commented on that day. So now the question is that if I have a jackpot day, how I will enter or exit the trade. Now this is a separate Excel sheet we use to trade in a jackpot day. In a jackpot day, what we have to do is that we have to put the high and low here, and everything will appear here. So this is a separate jackpot sheet we use. And thank you for your time. I believe that you are doing well. Have a great day.